Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our daily what sold video. Sorry this is late. I actually slept in. It was nice. Still tired. But anyway, you can see on the screen 22 orders, 215. So nice little rebound day. I did nothing special. Haven't listed a month and a half. I think I did send some offers, but just had some buyers show up, which is nice. So let's go ahead and get started. This is Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, aerial view of campus, Carnegie Institute of Technology, probably 1940s or yeah, 1940s. $4.99 for that card. This is beautiful hand painted Japanese, the peony flower. So this is all hand painted. This is a gorgeous card. Had a couple along the same lines, hand painted, and I think I bought them all for $1 at the DC Big Flea about a year ago. $24.99 for that card. Gorgeous, gorgeous card. Next is Arbuckle Brothers Coffee Trade Card, United States of Colombia map scenes. Been selling a lot of these over the last couple of days. This one it says $14.99, but I'm pretty sure it went out on a best offer. Marshall, Texas, new high school. Old one that I've had up for quite a while, $6.99 for that card. And let me see, Cowgirl, Horse, Pistol, Silk Applique Series Installment, 1910, number 2. So the hat has some type of something on it. Looks like old paper, and the shirt and the skirt are all applied silk. Let me see, $7.50 on a best offer. Same person bought this one. Horse, Pistol, Silk Applique Series Installment. So same buyer bought that one. I think they bought 3 or 4. Postcard, Christmas, Military, Navy, Cracker Jack, Sailor with Sea Bag, Christmas Tree. I've had this for years, and they sell about one every year and a half, but I had a whole big stack of them. $3.99 for that card. Probably 1930s, 40s maybe. Military Romantic, Sailor's Delight 2, Sailor's Kissing Woman. $5 on a best offer for that one. Next, same person bought this one. Military Romantic, Sailors and Women Will Be Leaving You Soon. Looks like 1944. But I think there's a much older card. Yeah, 44. I think these are from the 20s. Next is Romantic Sailor and Woman Honey Boy, 1908. And sold for $5. And then back to the Cowgirl Horse Pistol Series installment. Oops. No silk applique on this one. $7.50 best offer. And then there's this one, Shooting a Rifle. Again, no silk applique. Probably $7.50 on this one too. I don't think they paid full price. And then we have Topsail Island, North Carolina, Topsail Beach, Ocean Pier Fishing. So I have a different view of this card further up the pier here, and people fishing off of it. This sold for $14.99. Minnesota Sauk Center, St. Michael's Hospital, Sauk Lake Franciscan Sisters. So hospital, had this another probably 8 years with this hideous red background. $4.60 on a best offer. Thanksgiving greetings, boy riding pumpkin, pulled by turkey, fantasy. So always work in fantasy if it's something that obviously is not going to happen in real life. Call it fantasy, and people actually look for that. Could have thrown in patriotic too. $9.99 for that card. Next is Thanksgiving turkey, children enjoying dinner. The turkey casually struts about looking at its relative up on the table. $4.99. Another Thanksgiving greeting, turkey, children enjoying dinner feast. Boy, they didn't even bother cooking that one. Eee, a little morbid. $4.99. And then this one, Thanksgiving blessing, human girl, with turkey body anthropomorphic. And $9.99. Maybe it's just me and me still being tired, but this on the table like that would be a little bit more interesting. Merry Christmas, cherub, sunrise, bells, holly. Free 1908, $5.99 for that one. Next, Victorian girl, flowers and hair, applied Santa stickers. So those little Santa stickers were added after the fact, but turns a regular postcard into a Christmas postcard. $3.99 for that one. This is Antietam, Maryland, Sharpsburg Civil War Battlefield McKinley Monument, 1909. $11.75 on a best offer there. And this is Jackson, Mississippi, IOOF, which is the International Oddfellows new home. And that's sold for $6.99. Next, man attacked by exaggerated rabbit, real photo postcard, F.D. Conrad real photo. So there's the F.D. Conrad information. And there's the big rabbit. $15 best offer for that one. This is Joyous Easter, anthropomorphic dressed rabbits carrying egg basket. Again, you can put fantasy in the title. Probably should have $12 on a best offer. These are the best Easter ones, the anthropomorphic animals. Next, Happy New Year's, cherubs, angels delivering bags of money, chimney. So I sold a whole bunch of holidays that aren't even close to being in season. I don't know what this one was. This is Osage, whatever. Osage Beach, Kirkwood Lodge, Ping Pong Lake Swimming Pool. Oh, ping pong, the game. Okay. And that sold for $8.19. So yeah, really good day of sales yesterday, and couple that with the 1400 I did on Whatnot last night. It was a terrific day. And speaking of Whatnot, tomorrow I have the Nooner. We'll do 20 postcard lots, all at least 15 cards, and there'll be a happy ending giveaway tomorrow. So yeah, come on, pick up some more postcards, get them out of my house. I thank you all for the support on Whatnot. It's been pretty incredible run over there. Hopefully it lasts. And one last thing, if you would please, very, very, very rarely do I ever ask you all to like and subscribe. You can see my number, 998. So I'm two away from the magic 1,000. So if you watch my videos, you like what I do, if you could just hit the subscribe, just get me over that 1,000. If you want to unsubscribe as soon as you get me over the 1,000, that's fine. But just let me see the 1K right there. That would be much appreciated. So I thank everybody for watching, putting up with me, and I hope your day is wonderful.